Lifting on the far side of the airfield. And he's going to be heading away from us initially, because before you start a display, you can't just go straight into it, because you don't know what the aircraft's been doing. Has it settled down a bit? Has something snagged? Or it's been sitting on the ground. So what they're doing at the moment is they're just having a quick run around the cockpit, just make sure all the knobs and taps are in the right place, everything's turned on that should be turned on, it's turned off that should be turned off as well, because what he's about to do with this aeroplane, it is not designed to do. I warn you, this gets really interesting. So ladies and gentlemen, from number 27 Squadron Royal Air Force, based down there at Royal Air Force Odium, the Chinook. It's not designed to do is do this. So you go up like a lift and then spin round. You can see the angle those main rotors are getting, just to cause that aircraft to twist round like that. That's something else, isn't it? I told you these guys can make a house dance, they really can. As he's pulling around the bottom of this corner, you can hear why the aircraft is called just because of that blattering noise it makes. Now what you're seeing here is a tactical manoeuvre, it's called the quick stop. They literally throw the aircraft on its end, kill its forward airspeed and bring it to a stop. Now that means that what they can do is they can fly towards their landing zone at very high speed, do a quick stop and then drop straight into it. And you can also see the aircraft even bows to us. Which is really rather nice. Going to go straight up like a lift and watch what happens when he gets to the top. And the nose drop and just corkscrew down again. Now look at the angle he's getting out there. Man, is that ever a machine. As I said, aside from troops, vehicles, cargo, mounted internally in that huge cavernous hole, because all that is, the whole aeroplane's empty, there's just the two pilots sitting at the front. You know, they can fold down seats on the sides of the fuselage for troop carrying, and they've got rails at the bottom of the fuselage floor that you can just run pallets and things like that into. Or just drive a vehicle straight to the back. The whole back end opens as a giant double door. Now you'll see that there's a crew member with his head sticking out the side door. Give him a big wave. You can see us very clearly, ladies and gentlemen. Now the reason he's got his head out the door is because when the aircraft's travelling backwards, pilots can't see where they're going. So what he's got a microphone, he's talking to the pilot's head, left a bit, right a bit, all that sort of thing. Right here and now, of course, they're on operations, supporting troops on the ground in Afghanistan with both cargo supplies and moving troops into drop zones all over that country. Now that's almost vertical, but watch this. Pitching all the way down off the top of it. One more time, just to prove it wasn't a fluke. Now what I want you to think about while you're watching this, the only thing holding that up are the two main rotors. And the two main rotors